you know what time he came? He told me he's coming here. He came Thursday morning, Thursday night, 2 o'clock in the night.
Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. Been asked to have a look at this Biasi. It's not working, not heating our hot water, and we're going to diagnose it and we're going to repair it. Hopefully you'll enjoy the video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, let's put the heating on first. Can you put the heating on for me, from your remote? Right. Let's reset here. Okay, error 19. So guys, another Biasi here. Now, the more jobs I'm getting on Biasi, the more YouTube videos I make. And the more YouTube videos I make on them, the more jobs I'm getting on them. So I'm starting to become like a Biasi guy. They're not my favorite boilers either. I do work on old boilers, vaillant, baxi, wocesterbosch, and many more. So whatever jobs I get, I just take them on. And lately it's just been Biasi boilers. Right, so on this one, what we got is an error 19 flashing and error 01. I do know that the gas valve and the gas isolation valve underneath is closed, but I've just noticed that, but in the film I hadn't noticed yet. It's not something that you just go to a boiler and check, you know, the boiler's been isolated. Otherwise, the customer tells you, but this one, he wasn't telling me anything, just saying, oh, these are the codes I'm getting. But anyway, we're going to diagnose it and we're going to sort this one out.
For a long time here, but I lost confidence in him. I brought him in to do the servicing on this a year ago as well.
The reason why it's not coming on because you guys.
Oh my gosh.
So let's switch that on. And let's try that
I
here.
switched that off yesterday night. That's it. I did that myself actually.
So guys, first we will gain error 019, which is domestic hot water inlet probe failure. And then we will gain error 01, which is lack of burner ignition on a safety lockout. Now first I was trying to fire the boiler up on error code 19. That was related to domestic hot water tap. It had nothing to do with central heating. I was hoping I'll fire it up on the central heating at least. But then it was trying to give the error code 01. So we had two faults on this to sort out.
Oh yeah, I'll continue. You want to? I lost it because I had the heating on. So it's giving me gas leak or anything. I've got very short memory. Luckily, my wife's sister lives nearby and in West Brom. I had to leave them in there over the weekend. They haven't gone back yet. I've got one baby, so I didn't want to risk it without hot water or anything. And just create a separate one. And
You do what you like.
are you getting a lot of views?
Nah.
No?
Nobody's watching my films.
But at least you got it. Obviously, his lab to mention your name, like my teacher was. What's your name, brother?
Jan.
Eh?
Jahangir.
Jahangir.
Yeah,
so
sure
my
with
teacher
Jan.
was Jahangir. And, you know,
Let's see if this
if
works.
you're a good teacher and that's something to brag about.
Right, it won't work on some top water. Don't open the top water.
Okay.
So we know there's a problem there, yeah? Put that down. Send a message to that. Hopefully.
Just check if that electrode's connected properly, because, you know.
It's not. There's nothing wrong with it.
No, I tried to connect that electrode yesterday.
So you did try things.
Yeah, no, there was another set in the garden, yeah? No, he did the job, honestly. Another set of electrode in the garden. He told me to take that out. He put it on, but I took that out. I threw it away yesterday night because I thought I'll give it a go. Yeah, look at the state of that. You know, because He said, "Oh, get me the one from the garden, and I'll try." And I took them back out, but I don't know if I plugged that side in properly.
Well, let's see if we have. Okay, we still got Euro 19.
After it was leaking from there, little bit of water from the frame.
So we got a new electrode for it, and we got a thermistor for it. That's the error code 19, and that's for the error code 01. So let's do the 01 first, and then we're going to do the hot water one.
We'll keep that as a spare then.
So every time I change these, remember guys, get yourself one of these gaskets. So that's in here, new gasket and everything. So I'm just gonna, that goes inside here. And before I do that, I'm gonna put this clip on. Right, we've sorted the error code 01 out. It's holding flame, but the error 19 still needs to be sorted. So we're going to sort that out now. So we got the heating on for you, yeah? By doing that. Now we're going to sort the error 01, error 19 now. Right, that's the thermistor we're going to change to clear that error code 19. And if you can see, you could see some corrosion on it. I think some dampness or some water's fallen onto it, and that's damaged the pins on it. Clips out, and hopefully it's gonna gush out on me, yeah. The water's coming out with a bit of air inside it. Right. Luckily it's the same one. Let's put this in. But and that's it. And F19 is gone as well. Right, let's check the tap out. Hey, tap's working now as well. Huh? Yeah. Right, that's it basically. Let's get out of here. Where's it going? We're filming from there. That looking okay here? That's what Right, let's see. Right guys, the tap water is working fine now. The boiler's alright, no more codes, and it's all sorted. Guys, the boiler's sorted now. No problems with it at all. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler fix. Right guys, just done the Biasi, all sorted, all working fine. It was an easy repair. Look, you know, error code 19, that was a return. Cold water inlet thermistor, and error code 01, that was ignition issue. Now it was igniting, but it's just not keeping the flame on. So the electrode, the detection electrode was faulty on that. So it was an easy repair, and I diagnosed it and I agreed the price with the customer. I said, listen, this is what it's going to cost you. You okay with that? And he goes, yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Brilliant. Unfortunately, I didn't have the parts with me. I had to just go around the corner and get the parts. So guys, I went out, got the parts, fit the parts in, which is the detection electrode and the thermistor. Once I put the parts in, the man wants to renegotiate the price. He goes, it's too much. I don't want to pay that much, and he probably wanted about 30% discount. Suddenly now he wants a 30% discount. Once he's done, he's working, it's all in front of him. When it comes to payments, he wants a 30% discount. I was thinking, no, bro, you know, we had an agreement. I can't, I can't just go around doing that because we had an agreement. If you told me that, you know, you're going to do that at the end, right, I would have probably not took your job on it. I said, listen, bro, thank you, but I'll move on to my next one. But we wanted to renegotiate the price. But at the end, right, did give me all of it because I had to say, you know, I did say to him, listen, if your boiler breaks down again, don't call me again. I'm not interested. And then he just gives the full amount, but with a miserable, bad taste and all that. So bad experience that was, man. But anyway, the boiler's all working for him. Came out with by 11 o'clock, and the boiler's working by 1 o'clock. So what more does he want? His family's staying somewhere else. He had another guy come down about 2-3 days before that. He couldn't sort it out, and he charged him 50 quid as well. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. This is life. This is what service engineer's life is. This is what gas engineer, this is what self-employed is like. Sometimes you get good customers, sometimes you don't, but they say customers always right. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, take care, bye.